Hola, hola, buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. First of all, I apologize for the lighting in this video. I'm in the only room in my house which I can stay away from my son, and I don't have the best lighting. I even went ahead and I grabbed a couple lamps from around the house to place in here, and it still doesn't work that well. So I apologize ahead of time. I'm so sorry, but we're gonna make the best out of this. Okay. Um, hoy, today, hoy vamos a aprender sobre cómo preguntar, how to ask, cómo preguntar, how to ask, where are you going? Where are you going? That's a pretty freaking frequent question that we get all the time. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Bueno, en español, where are you going means ¿a dónde vas? Now, most of the time when we translate from English, actually the other way, when we translate from Spanish to English, our Spanish translation seems to be pretty long and our English translation shrinks. Not in this case. ¿A dónde vas? Versus where are you going? ¿A dónde vas? Español this time wins for being the shortest. ¿A dónde vas? Where are you going? Bueno, hay diferentes lugares. There's different places you can go to. ¿Sí? Por ejemplo, for example, a la ciudad, to the city. Por ejemplo, al centro de San Diego, downtown San Diego. Al campo, to the countryside. Al supermercado, the supermarket. A la oficina, to the office. A la playa, to the beach. Al parque, to the park. A la escuela, to school. A casa, home, ¿sí? A casa, home. ¿Qué más? A la tienda de calzado, the shoe store. A la tienda de comida, grocery store. ¿Sí? Hay diferentes lugares. There's many places, right? Different places. Yeah. En ocasiones, sometimes te preguntan, ¿a dónde vas de compras? Which means, where do you go shopping to? Bueno, diferentes tiendas, different stores, ¿sí? Podemos decir, we can say, voy de compras, I go shopping, voy de compras a Macy's, voy de compras a Target, voy de compras a Geppetto's, Geppetto's, voy de compras a Nordstrom's, voy de compras a, no sé, muchas tiendas, ¿sí? Muchas opciones. There's many stores, many options. Bueno, en su página de Digueño Remotely, on the Digueño Remotely website, you're going to see about 4 pages, 4 handouts that look like this. Okay? The first 2 pages, is it 2 pages or 3? Let me double check. Okay, yeah. The first 2 pages are just vocab. So what I want you to do is I want you to print them out. And I want you to practice writing down the words en español, so the places, okay? Mira, aquí dice, ¿a dónde vas? Which means, where are you going? And I want you to get into the habit of writing voy a, and then you have voy a la ciudad. I'm going to the city. Voy al campo. I'm going to the countryside. Voy al supermercado. I'm going to the supermarket. Okay, so just include in your writing answers, include the word voy. Okay, so I'm going to show you quickly how to spell it. So here, oopsies, I just made a mess. So here we have the question, la pregunta. ¿A dónde vas? ¿A dónde vas? Where are you going? See? Now, you're going to practice writing this part. Oops, sorry. I'm just having a lot of problems today. Everything is like falling apart. We're going to practice writing voy, okay? Para nuestras respuestas, for our answers. So, ¿a dónde vas? Where are you going? Voy, 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 which means I'm going. Voy, 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 I'm going. And then you decide. Voy a la escuela, voy al supermercado. Aquí vas a escribir. You're going to start writing here. Voy, and then you have a la ciudad. Aquí abajo. Voy al campo. Voy al supermercado. Voy a la oficina. So remember, you're writing in a complete sentence. You're not just saying to the city, to the countryside, to the supermarket. You're writing, I'm going. Voy a la ciudad. Voy al supermercado. Okay, so you're going to practice writing incomplete sentences, and you're going to be practicing also writing the words in español. Okay, entonces, a la oficina, the office, a la playa, to the beach. ¿Sí? Y siguiente página. Lugares, other places. Voy al restaurante, the restaurant. Al correo, the post office. Ay, caramba. Lo siento. Al banco, to the bank. A la piscina, to the pool. Al aeropuerto, to the airport. ¿Sí? Son diferentes lugares. Tenemos al restaurante, to the restaurant, al correo, to the post office, al banco, to the bank, a la piscina, to the pool, al aeropuerto, to the airport, and then if we look back at the first ones, a la ciudad, to the city, al campo, to the countryside, al supermercado, the supermarket, a la oficina, the office, y a la playa, the beach. Okay? Bueno. Después tienen esta hoja. Then you're going to have this handout. Okay? Y dice, ¿a dónde vas? It says, ¿a dónde vas? Ay, ay, ay. ¿A dónde vas? Aquí dice, ¿a dónde vas? Where are you going? And then it says, write in Spanish where you would go in each situation. So here it says, you want to buy food. So, what's the name of the place where you want to buy food in español? Then you're going to write here, al supermercado. Al supermercado, because that's where you buy food. Y luego dice, número 2, you want to eat. Where do you go if you want to eat? If you forget the vocab that we just went over, then all you have to do is just look at the previous pages, okay? So, where you want to eat? Al restaurante, ¿sí? Al restaurante. You need money. ¿A dónde vas if you need money? Al banco. Muy bien. Y you want to swim. Where would you go if you want to swim? A la piscina. Muy bien. Y you want to travel. Where would you go if you want to travel? Al aeropuerto. Muy bien. So go ahead and fill in those. Y por último, one more. At the very end, you're writing in Spanish where you would go to find the following things, okay? So, esto es súper fácil. Buildings, we know where we find buildings. Airplanes, we know where we find airplanes. This person's working. There's a desk. In a place, right? And then Where do you find starfish and seashells? Where do you mostly go horseback riding? And where do you need to go? Where do you need to go to mail your letter? Okay. Now remember, you're writing them in español. Okay. Bueno, chicos y chicas, nos vemos la próxima semana. Hasta luego. Chao, chao.